back to our channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make money fast in Blox Fruits in first scene. First, start from the pirate starter and go straight until you see the pirate village. After you see the pirate village, in this clip I didn't know where was the marine fortress, so I was searching. And after you see the pirate village, go straight until you see those castle-like thingies. Go straight until you see those castle thingies. I will speed this clip up for you guys.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
right after you reach this marine fortress, go up these stairs, jump up this wall, and jump up until you see this castle. Walk down the stairs, go and get the quest for what's his name? Vice Admiral. Go and get the quest for Vice Admiral. We can make money fast, very fast. See, he gives 15,000 per quest. So go up these stairs and kill the Vice Admiral. He will give 50k per kill. So if you serve around for 1 hour, you will get if you are from the second sea and you try to grind, and if you are a high level that like me, you will kill him like 50 times in an hour. So if you server off, he will be rather in one server or another server. So if you server off continuously, you will get 750,000 belly if you kill him 50 times. So it goes on and on. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in another video. Bye. Please like and subscribe guys. Comment any other ideas.